Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to science class of grade 6. Today we shall start a new topic, that is magnets, the 14th chapter in your textbook. In this unit, we will be learning about the history of magnets, types of magnets, natural magnets and artificial magnets, magnetic substances and non-magnetic substances, properties of a magnet, uses of magnets, demagnetization of magnets, storage and care of magnets. Magnets. You can refer page 158 in your textbook. Do you know how magnet was discovered? So there is a story about the discovery of magnet. Have you heard about Greece? It is a name of European country located on the west side of Turkey. So in Greece, there is a place or a city by name Magnesia. So there was a shepherd, a person who take care of sheep. He was taking his herd of sheep for grazing in the mountain, and he was carrying a stick. The tip of the stick had an iron piece attached to it, and while he was taking his sheep for grazing, his stick got attached to a rock and it was not able to come out. It got stuck to a rock, and that is how that rock was discovered to be magnet, and it was named as magnetite. So magnetite is an ore of iron from which magnet was discovered. When pieces of magnetite are freely suspended, they all point in the same direction. They all point in north-south direction. So these pieces of magnetite are also called lodestone or leading stone. So can you tell me now, magnetism was first discovered in an iron ore called? It is called magnetite. And the pieces of magnetite used as direction indicators were called? They were called lodestones. So what is a magnet? A magnet is a material that attracts iron and a few other substances like nickel and cobalt. You might have observed that sometimes when you're playing with two magnets, and when you try to bring one piece of magnet towards another, then what will happen? Sometimes it pulls the other piece or it attracts, and sometimes it pushes or repels the other piece, right? So that force, that property is nothing but magnetism. The force that causes magnetic materials to either attract or repel each other is called magnetism. Next topic is natural and artificial magnets. Magnetite and lodestones are natural magnets because they are found in nature. Magnets can also be made artificially using metals such as iron, nickel and cobalt. They are called artificial magnets. Next topic is magnetic and non-magnetic substances. So what are magnetic substances? Materials that are attracted by magnets are called magnetic substances. Example, iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. Similarly, non-magnetic substances. Materials that are not attracted by magnets are called non-magnetic substances. For example, wood, paper clips, pencil, eraser, etc. Now we'll watch a video and try to learn in detail.
Magnets. Introduction. Magnetism finds numerous applications in everyday life as well as scientific research. Our Earth itself behaves like a huge magnet. We shall get ourselves attracted to the magnets. The word magnet comes from Magnesia, a district in Asia Minor where the iron ore magnetite was found to attract iron. This property is known as magnetism, and bodies having this property are called magnets. What are magnets? Any substance which possesses the following two properties is called a magnet. It attracts small pieces of iron towards itself. It always comes to rest in the north-south direction when suspended freely. Natural and artificial magnets. Lodestone and magnetites are natural magnets because they are found in nature. Natural magnets have a low magnetic power. Moreover, such magnets are not found at every place. So, artificial magnets are prepared by man to be used at any time and at any place. These magnets are much stronger than lodestone. Artificial magnets are made in many shapes. They may be rods, flat bars, U-shaped, or like a horseshoe. Magnetic and non-magnetic substances. Collect a number of small objects such as brass screw, copper wire, iron nail, sewing needle, paper clip, eraser, pencil, shaving blade, plastic scale, glass lens, postcard, safety pin, spoon, cork, rubber band, toothbrush, etc. Use a magnet and identify which of these substances are magnetic and which are non-magnetic in nature.
So let us recall what we have learned in today's session. Points to remember. Magnetism was first discovered in an iron ore called magnetite. The pieces of magnetite used as direction indicators were called lodestones. The force that causes magnetic materials to either attract or repel each other is called magnetism. Magnetite is an example of natural magnet. Materials that are attracted by magnets are called magnetic substances. Materials that are not attracted by magnets are called non-magnetic substances. So that's it for today. Hope you have understood and enjoyed this session. If you have any questions, then please write it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next session. Have a nice day.